Well, I think for the most part, most of the sellers they want certainty, right? That's why guarantees work, right? That's why the iBuyer companies like Open Door and OfferPad, at one point Zillow. There are many other ones that are purchasing these properties. They're offering cash deals, very little inspection periods, and they can close in less than 1 week or 2 weeks and all of that. So for us, we pretty much have to kind of speak similar language, right? So one of those things is really kind of like we have buyers, we can buy your house very quickly for a market value. I think the second thing is really giving them an opportunity to stay in a house um, after they have sold it, right? So one of the questions that I always get from my sellers, like, well, Alan, if we get our house under contract and I can't find anything that I like, does that mean that I have to go, rent a house for next month or two, or stay in a hotel room? And what we want to do is we want to offer that opportunity for the seller to stay at their house up to 40, 45, or even 60 days, after the selling of their home. So that's another one. The third one that may possibly work is doing some sort of a flat fee commission structure, right? A la carte, so our flat fee starts at X, and then if you would like us to do Y or provide an additional marketing service or an additional product or something along those lines, we can raise it up, right? So that's something that you can offer as well.